is the first group of migrants to appear in a virtual court in border city of Laredo, Texas. Under new Homeland Security Department rules, some people seeking asylum must cross the border, appear in front of U.S. judges through video conference, then return to Mexico while they wait for their next appointment. Migrants say it is the start of a very long process.
We will have another court for October 16th. Now we have to wait and see what they tell us, and nothing more. Just wait.
The Customs and Border Protection says 8,300 migrants have given appointments in the virtual courts, which began operating September 16. Homeland Security officials say the department's so-called Migrant Protection Protocols are designed to ease a security and humanitarian crisis at the border. Democratic Representative Henry Cuellar told Voice of America he toured the virtual courts, which are housed in tents.
I've tried to make sure there's transparency here. Is it a little different from a regular immigration court? It is, because immigration courts are open to the public. The problem is this is inside of a port of entry, so only the attorney and the families can come in. Will they have the day in court? Yes, they will. Can they have time with an attorney? Yes, they will.
These wooden stairs provide access to the lawyers of the 315 migrants that will be scheduled daily to be here at the virtual court in Laredo, Texas. However, some immigration lawyers have complained about the lack of access.
In order to get recourse in the United States, it's better for people to have access to attorneys. And the truth is, according to the records that have kind of come out of the Migrant Protection Protocols, only about 1% of the over 42,000 people that have been subjected to remain in Mexico or the MPP have been able to get attorneys, which has really decreased their ability to get recourse, asylum, for instance, in the United States.
Honduran migrant Leila Amador and her 7-year-old son are staying in Monterrey, Mexico, while they wait for their case to move through the immigration system. She says she's relying on her faith as she waits.
I hope for the best, whatever God wants.
VOA asked Amador if she has legal representation.
Well, I don't know, but I imagine they will assign me one.
These virtual courts are expected to process cases for the next 18 months. Celia Mendoza, VOA News, Laredo, Texas.